What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a replacement of control arms on Toyota, upper control arms to be more exact, on Toyota 4Runner. Yep. So this is part of the quick and easy. Why did you put that there? Why? You can't see anything. Take it off. Alright, so you're gonna need, what's that, 1820?
18.
And there's supposed to be a cotter pin right there, but there's no cotter pin. I don't know.
Yes, I take out.
Oh, you took it out?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. So you're gonna have to take the cotter pin out. So that's a 18 millimeter. Too much play. Problem is it's rusty, so you don't want to strip it. If you strip it, it's a trouble. It's a headache. Nice and rusty. Nice and rusty. That's always a problem. Oh, hammer. And in case you were wondering, that's a blunt. That's a very blunt. And he was trying to make a square because the rust is all right. So that helped. All right, so number one nut is down. You gotta be careful with the wire.
We take the 10. Sorry.
It's a 10 millimeter.
Sensor for
ABS.
sensor.
Those are two 18 millimeters.
19.
Oh, 19. Little WD-40. Sure can slide. Because the washer right now is hitting the little edge of the wheel well. Can't slide there. Little plastic clip.
Yes, no, that's for the inside.
There we go. Just sliding slowly the bolt and then pushing washer back. There you go, it's out. That's the big washer.
Anyway, you give everything new. Yes,
Alright, so that's that side. It's the same with the other side. And the old man already has this side partially done.
see, that's I have 4 new plates. With 2 different sizes. That's for outside. See? That's for outside
And the smaller for
or
inside.
inside. That's a
And these are performance. Yeah, it's a bolt. You want to be careful, slowly. And old man just gonna grab the needle nose. They're very long, extra long. Alright, so if you look, these ones, they have a grease points both on upper arms and here on the ball joint too. And this is just a tiny bit pain in the butt, but you have to align it nicely.
So, need to push the wrong cable.
It's kind of hard to see, but you can push. Oh, right there, you can see it, the head of the bolt. I'm taking an extra long screwdriver.
You need to pass that. Oh,
Okay, it's stuck between the cooling line.
so nice. That's it.
And you want to be careful so you don't damage, because there's a charge in the system, so if that was cut, if you make a cut, it's gonna definitely make a freon all over the place. Spray freon. Pulling it out a little bit so you can have enough space to put a spacers or shims. They're not shims, they're washers. From both sides. Slides right in. Okay, so old man is upgrading to vice grips pliers. Alright, so bolt is right there. Big washer from outside. Look at that pretty red color. And now the 10mm for ABS sensor bracket. Another washer.
You need to lift it up
So it's leveled.
too tight.
Yeah, so it's leveled. You guys noticed when he took the other one off how this sprung up. That's because it was level. So what we're gonna do right here is one of those bars, metal bars, and then you put it underneath right here, or wood, 2x4, something like that, so it levels it out with the car, where normally it would be sitting if it was on a normal paved road. Okay. 22. That's it, done, and you put that back up. The one there, same thing on the other side, and the job is done. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.